Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so you can act immediately. Verify the remote host IP or DNS resolves and that the required port is open. RDP commonly uses 3389. Make sure you have admin credentials and any MFA device or code ready. Once done, open Remote Desktop Manager, select New Connection, and choose the correct protocol. Enter the host address now, because filling connection details first speeds later testing and avoids return trips to settings. Next, you configure the session so it behaves predictably. Choose the protocol that matches the target service: RDP for Windows, SSH for Linux shells, VNC for GUI access, and specify a gateway or VPN if required. Enter credentials and domain. Use an encrypted credential repository inside the manager for repeated use. Then set display resolution, color depth, and resource sharing like clipboard, drives, and printers so the session performs well. Save the entry and label it clearly to avoid Finally, you connect and validate the session end-to-end. Click the saved entry, authenticate, and confirm the remote desktop, file transfer, or shell works as expected. Once connected, test clipboard and mapped drives quickly. If something fails, first check firewall and gateway rules, then reconfirm credentials and protocol selection because those cause most failures. If issues persist, enable verbose logs in the manager and try an alternate client to isolate whether the problem is network, host, or app-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.